This is Theresa. If I can do it at 90, you can too. We are making rice balls
With
and with my friends. And this is Katie and Jenny and Pat.
Wait a minute, Theresa.
We're doing the parsley.
Parsley.
We have to wait.
That's it.
Oh, you freeze it, you chunk it up like that. You don't make it fine. You have a beater, one of these cut things that chops it like that. Johnny, get
I
one.
freeze
No,
my
but this is
parsley.
frozen. It probably would be hard to do.
I like
No, on the minute you hit it with one of them things, bang, you can
I
stop
like the
chopping
frozen
like crazy.
parsley.
Okay, parsley and what else?
What else after parsley?
It's parsley, pepper.
Pepper.
Now, Pat, what did you say about if you have to scratch your nose while you're making the rice
Well,
balls?
if you do have to scratch your nose, we'll have you do it.
What if I don't want to touch your nose with my finger?
Well,
Use a shoehorn.
One egg yolk.
one egg and one yolk.
Yeah.
And
We're
one
gonna
yolk. I see.
save this
Okay.
white.
Oh, you need it for this recipe?
Don't you have a white separator?
Oh, I had one
That's
of those.
good. That's it.
I
It's
don't
just
even-
as easy to do like
Yeah.
that. I have one too.
No touching your face. With your hands. Like that.
We'll have to wash them again.
If you gotta touch your face or scratch it, Jenny, ask John. He'll do it for you. Yeah, because he's not rolling. Huh?
What makes you think I'm going to touch people's faces?
Well, John, we can't be touching our own and then rolling. Would you like that or not?
What if I'm also rolling?
Yeah.
I'll have rice on my fingers. I'll
We
get it
don't
all
want-
over your face.
No, we
I'll
don't
get-
want you to roll, John. You're the cameraman. Mm-mm.
Okay, the two of you use this.
And after we're done rolling, and dampening our hands, you drink the water out of the bowl. Right, John? It's got to be.
I've heard that of
Yeah, because it's got to be good tasting. What the hell, you're rolling,
yeah. Oh, every chef does it. I imagine.
Okay.
I don't know if everyone does it, but I'll do it.
Let Theresa show us how to count.
I put the wax paper.
Wax paper.
Set the cookie.
Okay, you're gonna be using this.
Now I gotta wet my hands.
No, not yet.
Oh,
I want to see.
First you grab. First you shape it
Okay,
without the water.
Without the water.
let's
Okay.
see how much you got there.
Well, yeah, whatever. Okay, then I dip my fingers. Okay, we're gonna use that, and the two of you use. Okay.
I even have a hard time
Theresa,
tracing them.
is that big enough?
Yeah, roll them a little bit.
I'll just read.
Well, they roll nice. Theresa, they roll nice.
Yeah,
I didn't
and then
damp-
what I do?
I didn't dampen my hands.
Yeah.
Then you get the
See,
water.
then I do and put it here like this,
Okay.
Okay, we're going to do
and then
that.
I see.
Oh, then it
roll and-
smooths it.
Yeah.
See?
Kinda.
Wait a minute, I only rolled one. Is this the way you roll them? Is that it?
Yes.
Oh, what the heck?
Well, what I do is just afterwards, after you roll them,
Okay.
and then you it kind of keeps the rice in there.
Together.
You know?
Okay.
Yeah.
I got to shape them first. The only thing is you get a lot of loose rice,
Oh,
Teresa.
sure, it does.
A lot of loose rice, and
It's okay.
and we don't want to. Is this table clean?
Oh, yes.
Okay, then we can pick the rice off the table. It's no problem.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, you got it. See, you press it
Yeah,
first.
yeah.
Yeah.
Some of them are going to be shaped like footballs, and some will be shaped like torpedoes.
That's what they look like to me, like a
I
torpedo.
don't know if
Is
I'm
that
doing
right?
this right. We're going to do
Is
the
that
best.
okay?
Very good.
No. We're
Yes,
gonna
you
do
did.
no. We're
I
gonna
did
do
forget it.
something else with that white now.
I didn't forget it.
Okay, I thought you.
Okay, you want to read? Oh, your hands are.
Are you questioning the chef?
Well, I have to, John. I got to keep track.
All right, keep her on her toes.
Okay, we're done with this. So wait, just wait.
Wait, Pat wants to drink his water. He wants to drink that dirty
Well, that's-
water.
yeah, well,
Isn't
no,
that what you
is-
said?
That isn't dirty water, John. If that's dirty, then what you're eating is dirty.
I know,
It's
but
all rice and stuff.
I wanted to see you drink that water.
Well, I wasn't thirsty, right? I'd save it. I'll be thirsty in a little while.
Okay.
I take this with one hand, and that's it.
You're just,
That's
yeah.
it. Now somebody has to do, or either that. When I do them alone, I wash my hands and do a few, and then wash my hands and.
Now, what do you want me to do? I just picked up one of them. Is
You
all.
roll that
Roll them.
because your hands are clean,
Yep.
Put them back in the pan.
and put them back in the same pan.
He said, I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to get them.
So after they're fried, they're going to go on a separate cookie sheet.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah,
You
clean
get
one. Yeah.
See,
We
Pat,
done
right
good.
You don't need these.
John, I don't need you to scratch my nose. I can scratch my own nose. Look at that, Johnny.
It's
I'll-
available. What if the other side of the nose? No.
Well, no. Oh,
right.
well, you get one nostril, I'll get the other one. How about that? Like that, John.
Oh,
Like that.
Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. Stereo scratching. They look good. They look
Where
very
they
good.
do? That's nice.
have to worry about it.
I'm gonna.
Wow. How long have you been making rice balls?
Oh, I've been making them for many, many years. At first we had a lot of problems trying to keep the rice together so we could roll them. And then we finally found the right way of doing it. And it's working. And we're eating them. Everybody likes them.
John, stick your finger in there and see if the oil's ready. Huh? Why not?
I need this finger to scratch your nose.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that, don't use that
if
one.
I hurt this finger, then what?
Oh my God!
You know, you... Do they brown all the way around?
Yeah, because I keep rolling them.
Yeah.
See how nice the parsley shows up.
Yeah. You remember that movie Forrest Gump?
Oh, I saw that night. That was good. I'm glad you called me. There were a lot of parts I forgot about there.
I'm going to serve
Oh,
these
wow.
to my
They
friends
look beautiful.
while we're playing cards.
Okay,
Oh, wonderful.
let's try them
Don't
out.
those look nice? Oh, man.
Everybody dig in.
Boy, boy.
Beautiful.
Oh, I could just...
It would be
even-
nice if this was.
They look so good, Teresa, I even hate to eat them. I'm telling you
I
something, really.
know, but they
Look
look
how
so,
nice they look.
They look so perfect.
Yeah, see, you guys know how to do it too. Right?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Are you going to have one, Mom?
Yeah. John, you gotta
They're
turn them.
delicious,
Okay.
Teresa.
Good,
How
very
is it?
good, Teresa.
You can taste the parsley in there too, can't you?
You can taste the olive oil.
Yeah.
You don't have to play cards to make the rice balls. Make them anytime you want.
Nice and crisp.
Uh-huh.
No.
Tutti al tavolo
e
a
mangiare. E buon appetit.
Anything you want to say about the class?
It's a wonderful class. It's just wonderful to be here with my sweeties. All my girls are.
Anybody interested in taking home some rice ball doggy bags?
Oh, we'll have one here.
Oh, I would just,
Rice ball doggy
oh,
bags.
I would just love some. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
John, you are a peach, a real Georgia peach.
Oh, well, we hope you enjoy them.
We did enjoy
Wait
them.
a minute, I gotta throw.
Well, and
I
also
gotta
when you get
throw
home.
something out. 3,
Yeah,
6.
we might not get home. We might eat them before they get there.
I gotta
That's
throw-
okay.
I gotta
That's
throw
all right.
something out.
Throw something away, baby.
Yeah, I gotta-